Hi there! Let's get you onboarded with Meta integration in the Digger app, which we curated for you so that it can be really easy and helpful. Let's get started. Navigate to the sidebar, find Integrations, and go to the Add Providers field. There you will be introduced to Meta integration for the first time. Click Connect to Meta on the right side. The next step is to connect your Meta account, or reconnect if you already have it. Now it's time to create a campaign, or if you already have one, you can just go to the campaign list and open the ad page that you have created. From there, you need to scroll down and go to the end of the page and look for the URL parameters field. Now it's time to give access to Digger tracking in your Meta ad page, which is done by adding the parameter code as seen on the screen, which is dig=add.id, and just hit enter. You are all done connecting Digger to Meta and turning on tracking in your account.